Walnut nightstands are a stylish and functional addition to any bedroom decor. There are many products available to choose walnut nightstands, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best walnut nightstands from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Visagal Nightstands. The Visagal Nightstand set offers an elegant blend of style and functionality for your bedroom or living space. The hidden drawer feature allows you to securely store valuables like cash and jewelry, ensuring they are out of sight and protected. With a mid-century design, these tables bring a retro charm that enhances your decor. Ample storage is provided through various compartments, keeping your essentials organized and easily accessible. Built from sturdy materials, these nightstands can support significant weight, giving you peace of mind about their durability during everyday use. Number 2. Nathan James Kensey Nightstand Side Accent. The Nathan James Kensey Nightstand Side Accent Table is a unique and elegant piece of furniture that serves as an end table and nightstand. It features a rustic solid wood drawer decorated in a sleek, elegant herringbone design and a walnut paper frame. The matte black powder-coated legs have foot pads attached to keep your floors from being scratched. The table is compact for small spaces and can be used in your bedroom or living room. It has an open lower shelf to display your books or a midnight snack. The accent bedside table with a beautiful herringbone wood doors design will add style and character to any room. It requires easy 30-minute assembly. Number 3. Halala Home 2-Drawer Nightstand. The Halala Home Nightstand is designed with your convenience in mind. It features 2 USB ports and 2 outlets, allowing you to charge multiple devices at once, eliminating low battery worries. The ample storage includes 2 drawers, perfect for keeping your essentials organized, while the top drawer helps manage cords effectively. Made from high-quality MDF wood, this nightstand is sturdy and durable, ensuring it stands the test of time. Plus, with adjustable feet, it maintains stability on uneven surfaces, protecting your floors from scratches. Number 4. Allahappy Nightstand Set of 2. The Allahappy Nightstand set offers a stylish and functional addition to your bedroom. With its elegant fluted timbre sliding doors, you can easily adjust the look while enjoying ample storage for your essentials. The built-in charging station, featuring USB and AC ports, allows you to power up multiple devices at once, keeping your bedside organized. Its spacious design includes 2 drawers and shelves, perfect for storing books and gadgets. Made from durable materials, this set is not only practical but also complements a mid-century modern aesthetic in any space. Number 5. Nightstand Set of 2, Rattan Nightstand. The Oakham Home Nightstand Set offers a stylish and functional addition to your space. With built-in charging options, including a Type-C port and USB socket, you can easily power your devices while keeping everything within reach. The rattan drawers and open storage design provide ample space for your belongings, making organization a breeze. Crafted from durable materials, this nightstand ensures stability and longevity, while its elegant bohemian style complements various decor themes in your bedroom or living room.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.